If you have already bought a self-cleaning litter box and your cat refused to use it, this is probably why. Most self-cleaning litter boxes are domes. Many cats hate being enclosed, they refuse to enter, or they use the box once and then avoid it. Loud motors during cleaning cycles make the problem worse for anxious cats. The Neakasa M1 Plus is an open-top self-cleaning litter box. There is no hood and no dome. Your cat steps in from above or the side. A rotating drum separates waste from clean litter and drops it into a sealed pull-out drawer. The entire process runs quietly in the background. Buyers praise the open-top design most of all. Cats that refused every dome-style box often accept this one immediately. The cleaning cycle is quiet enough that most cats do not startle. Waste stays contained in the sealed drawer with no loose litter scattered during the cycle, and odors kept inside. The no-pinch drum includes safety sensors that stop the cycle if your cat enters. App control lets you schedule cleanings or trigger them remotely. Setup takes most people under 30 minutes. Litter scatter around the entry is the most common complaint with any open-top design. The Neakasa cat pedal step stool mounts directly to the box and catches litter from your cat's paws before it reaches the floor. Some owners find the waste drawer needs emptying every 5 to 7 days. Using larger liner bags and keeping a weekly schedule makes this manageable. If odor control is a priority, the Neakasa Air Step combines a step with a built-in air purifier designed for the M1 Plus. The rotating drum works best with clumping clay litter. Non-clumping and crystal litters can cause jams. This box is ideal for cat owners whose cats have refused dome-enclosed self-cleaning models. It also suits households with anxious cats or anyone tired of daily manual scooping. If you plan to use non-clumping or crystal litter, note that the drum requires clumping clay only. If litter scatter is a concern, the Neakasa cat pedal step stool, with its filter grid, is a direct solution. For better odor control, the Neakasa Air Step combines a step stool with a built-in air purifier that works with the M1 Plus and most other litter boxes. Links to the Neakasa M1 Plus and both add-ons are in the description below. This video contains affiliate links. If you purchase through the links in this description, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That is what keeps these honest reviews coming. All opinions are my own.